Yesterday was the hottest opening day of the Wimbledon Championships on record. Today it could be even hotter across the south and the east and still humid. We've got a weak weather front across the central swathe of the country producing cloud and a few showers, but fresher conditions coming in behind that front into the northwest. I'll have all the details coming up.
Oh, morning Carol.
Good morning John and Sal, good morning to you too. There are some clouds in the sky here at Wimbledon, but a lot of blue sky around, and already it feels really quite warm, and if anything it is going to get hotter. Now yesterday we reached 32.9 Celsius here at Wimbledon, making it the hottest first day of the championships on record. Today, somewhere in the southeast could reach 34 or indeed 35. So the forecast for us all today is again hot and muggy in the southeast in particular, but for the rest of the country we're into fresher conditions. Now we've had a weather front that's produced some heavy rain across parts of western Scotland overnight. It's moved across Scotland and Northern Ireland and has sunk south across parts of England and Wales, producing a band of cloud and also some showers. To the south of that it's dry, sunny and muggy. To the north of it we're looking at fresher conditions, but somewhere in the southeast could reach 34, possibly even 35. That is really uncomfortable. Now as we head on through the evening and overnight, that weather front peps up for a time across Cumbria, parts of northern England generally, and also eastern Scotland. Most of the showers move away, but will linger across parts of eastern Scotland, and it's going to be a fresher night for us all, but still an overnight low of 17 degrees across the London area. Into tomorrow, we've got some showers coming into the southwest. They're going to drift eastwards. We expect them at this stage now to miss London, which is a change to yesterday's forecast. But we will have them across northern and eastern parts of both England and Scotland. Tomorrow, fresher across the board, a good 10-degree drop in temperature where it has been so hot and so sticky, which for some of us will be a blessed relief. John and Sal.
And for some of us, it might be a bit of a shock. Carol, thank you very much. We'll see you soon.
Thanks. Morning from inside the grounds of Wimbledon. You can see Centre Court behind me, resplendent in the sunshine. It was a very hot day here yesterday. It could potentially be hotter here today. Not just here, but in the southeast generally. Another muggy day, the last day of the heat wave. Central areas cloudy with the odd shower, but fresher conditions in the north. I'll have all the details later. Good morning to you too. This is beautiful. It's nice and empty at the moment. Later it will be packed. It's the rose arbor, so called because of the beautiful roses on the top. You can see the petunias in the hanging baskets. Lovely Wimbledon colours here. We have got agapanthus, we've got French lavender, we've got Scotch thistle, there's alliums here as well. And to put it into context, we're right next to court number 15 and in front of number 1 court. I can tell you it's very warm already. The temperature here at Wimbledon is currently 23 Celsius. Pollen levels across England today are high or very high, and we're talking grass and weed pollen. Now the forecast for today is the last day of the heat wave in the southeast where it's hot and humid, but fresher conditions elsewhere. We've got a weather front which has brought rain overnight across Scotland and Northern Ireland. It's now across central swathes of England today. Temperatures a good 10 or 11 degrees down in the southeastern corner. We're looking at a top temperature tomorrow of about 25 degrees, and I can tell you, John, it's warm here already.
It's lovely though. Great to see that sunshine. Thank you, Carol.
Thanks. It is,
Surely
John,
not.
yes. Yesterday was the hottest first day of the Wimbledon Championships on record. The temperature, the official temperature, reached 32.9 Celsius. Today we could reach 33, possibly 34 degrees. But that isn't necessarily the highest temperature we're going to be seeing in the southeast. We might just see a high of 35 Celsius, but it is the last day of the heat wave, this present heat wave. Now the forecast for today is literally that. Hot and muggy in the southeast, fresher conditions coming in from the northwest, and what we've got is a dividing line, and that dividing line is a weather front, and the weather front has produced a lot of rain overnight across Scotland. At least we're a good 10 degrees cooler than we are today, so top temperatures up to about 25 degrees. And then for Wimbledon itself, the weather remains fairly settled until the weekend, when it's looking like we could see some rain, and it could also be windy, especially so on Sunday. Sal and John.
Carol, thank you very much. We'll see you soon. Looks glorious there.
It really